So I get issues with my Libre sensor where the sensor actually like comes off from the sticker. Sometimes I leave it, sometimes I put something extra to protect it, because of course your arm's rounded and the Libre is flat. So I got these, not just a pack, they're awesome. I got the clear ones because I find it's nicer because I get stickers for mine. Currently I'm wearing the Winnie the Pooh one. Basically it's just a triangle that you just peel and place, and it's pretty epic. Give me a sec. So basically you just peel the backing off and you line it up, and then you cotton it, then you just take the blue bit off, and voila, you can barely see it, and it just gives it